Children, let us continue the lesson Revolt Against the Britishers, Unit 6. We have to start from Queely, it seems. Is or no? Okay. Queely, a faithful friend of Velu Nachiyar, is said to have led the unit of women soldiers named after Udayal. That means Queely was a friend of Velu Nachiyar and she organized the army, women soldiers army of Velu Nachiyar under the name of Udayal. What is the meaning of Udayal? Udayal one mean இந்த ஆடு மேய்க்கிறவங்க உடையாள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so soldiers named after Udayal. Udayal was a shepherd girl. So who was killed for? That girl was killed by the Britishers for not giving information on Queely. So what happened? They keep the name for the woman soldiers as Udayal. That was looked after by the Queely. Okay, later Britishers turned around Queely to kill, but Queely, without knowing anybody, what she did, she walked into the British arsenal, army tank, ஆர்மி வச்சுக்கக்கூடிய இடத்துல போயிட்டு தன்னை என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, சூசைட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, டு ஃபயர் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ தட் அவங்களுடைய மெத்தடில் எப்படியாவது பிரிட்டிஷ்காரனுக்கு அகெயின்ஸ்டாக செயல்படணும், ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டு எப்போவே சாவ போகிறோம், அதனால் ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டு சாவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வாட் ஷி டிட், குயிலி is said to have walked into the British arsenal after setting herself on fire. Thus she destroyed all the ammunitions. Ammunitions means weapons. Okay, now let us know about rebellion of Veerapandiya Kattapomman. Let us know about rebellion of Veerapandiya Kattapomman. Veerapandiya Kattapomman became the Palayakarar of Panjalankuruchi. Underline. Veerapandiya Kattapomman was the Palayakarar of Panjalankuruchi at the age of 30 on the death of his father Jagaveera Pandiya. Kattapomman's father's name was Jagaveera Pandiya and he became the Palayakarar at the age of 30. Okay, children. Then the company's administrators, the British East India Company's administrators, who were they? James and Colin had considered Colin Jackson considered him means Kattapomman a man of peaceful disposition. They thought like that. Kattapomman was a peaceful man. However, soon several events led to conflict between Veerapandiya Kattapomman and the East India Company, British East India Company or English East India Company. The Nawab, under the provisions of a treaty signed in 1781, had assigned the revenue of the Carnatic to the company to be entirely under their management and control during the war with Mysore Sultan. After the treaty of 1781, the revenue of Carnatic to the company to be entirely under the management and control with Mysore Sultan. It went under the control of the Mysore Sultan. 1/6 of the revenue was to be allowed to meet the expenses of Nawab and his family. From the revenue, they can use, the Nawab can use 1/6 for their use, but the rest of the revenue should be given to the British East India Company. The company had thus gained the right to collect taxes from the Panjalankuruchi also. Where who was the Palayakarar? Kattapomman was the Palayakarar. The company appointed its collectors to collect taxes from all the Palayams. Who was the collector? Jackson. The collectors humiliated the Palayakaras. What do you mean by humiliated? அசிங்கப்படுத்துறது, அவமானப்படுத்தினாங்க. And adopted forced to collect the taxes. This was the bone of contention between the English and the Kattabomman. Okay, next, bone of contention. This became the bone of contention. அவங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு என்ன ஏற்படுத்துச்சு, ஒரு வெறுப்புணர்ச்சியை ஏற்படுத்துது. ரெண்டு பேருக்குள்ள ஒரு என்ன கொண்டு வந்தது, ஒரு கோபத்தை கொண்டு வந்தது ரெண்டு பேருக்கும், ஜாக்சனுக்கும் கட்டபொம்மனுக்கும். Confrontation with Jackson. The land revenue arrear from Kattabomman. Kattabomman did not pay the revenue. The arrear was 3,310 pagodas. In 1798, Collector Jackson, an arrogant English officer, wanted to send an army to collect the revenue dues, but the Madras government did not give him permission. Jackson asked the permission for the army to collect revenue from Kattabomman, but the Madras British government did not give army to collect the revenue from Kattabomman. So what happened? August 1798, he ordered, on 18th August 1798, he ordered Kattabomman to meet him in Ramanathapuram, but Kattabomman's attempts to meet him in between proved a futile, as Jackson refused to give him audience both in Kuttalam and Srivilliputur. Jackson called Kattabomman to meet him, one place at Kuttalam and another place at Srivilliputur. Both the areas Jackson did not meet Kattabomman. At last, an interview was granted and Kattabomman met Jackson in Ramanathapuram on 19th September 1798. It is said that Kattabomman had to stand for 3 hours before the haughty Collector Jackson. Sensing danger, he was waiting for 3 hours to meet Jackson, but Jackson did not meet. So Kattabomman realized that there was a danger for him. So he tried to escape along with his minister Siva Subramanianar. Siva Subramanianar also was with him, his minister. But Umaiturai, suddenly this news also heard by his brother Umaiturai, Kattabomman's brother Umaiturai, and suddenly he entered the fort with his men. Men means army, some people, army people, and helped the Kattabomman to escape. At the gate of the Ramanathapuram fort, there was a clash between Umaiturai and the Jackson's army, Jackson's people, and there was a clash in which some people, including Lieutenant Clark, how to pronounce that, Lieutenant Clark, were killed. So Umaiturai's army killed Lieutenant Clark, and many others. Siva Subramanianar was taken prisoner, his minister. Kattabomman escaped, and his minister Siva Subramanianar was taken as a prisoner. Okay. Next, appearance before Madras Council. On his return to Panchalankuruchi, Kattabomman represented to the Madras Council about how he was ill-treated by the Collector Jackson. He went to Madras Council to explain how he was ill-treated. The council asked Kattabomman to appear before a committee with William Brown, British Governor General, William Oram, and John Casamajor. Underline, children, who were the 3 people, or 3 Governor Generals. Who were they? William Oram, William Brown, and John Casamajor as members. Meanwhile, Governor Edward Clive ordered the release of Subramaniam. After talking with Kattabomman, they ordered for the release of Subramanianar and the suspension of Collector Jackson. Kattabomman appeared before the committee that sat on 15th December 1798 and reported on what transpired in Ramanathapuram. The committee found Kattabomman was not guilty. Jackson was dismissed from service and a new collector, S.R. Lushington, appointed. Jackson was dismissed from there and a new collector, underlined Lushington, was appointed. And Kattabomman cleared almost, because of this meet, Kattabomman cleared almost all revenues except 1080 pagodas. Okay, children. Next, Kattabomman and the Confederacy of Palayakaras. In the meanwhile or meantime, Marudhu Pandiyar of Sivagangai formed the South Indian Confederacy of rebels, protesters against the British. Sivagangai Marudhu Pandiyar collected some army against the Britishers in the time. Then Gopala Nayak, the British with the neighboring Palayakaras like Gopala Nayak of Tindukal and Yadul Nayak of Annamalai. Marudhu Pandiyar acted as its leader. The Tiruchirappalli proclamation had been made. Kattabomman was interested in this confederacy. So Kattabomman also joined with this Marudhu Pandiyar and who else? Neighboring countries, Gopala Nayak and Yadul Nayak. So Kattabomman also joined with this group, and Kattabomman was interested in this confederacy. Collector Lushington prevented Kattabomman from meeting the Marudhu brothers. But Marudhu brothers and Kattabomman jointly decided on a confrontation with English. இங்கிலீஷோட ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ட்ரேஷன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Kattabomman tried to influence Sivagiri Palayakaras, who refused to join. Kattabomman advanced towards Sivagiri, but the Palayakaras of Sivagiri was a tributary to the company. So the company considered the expedition of Kattabomman as a challenge to their authority. The company ordered the army to march on to Tirunelveli. Who is ruling in Tirunelveli? So, what is the meaning of this paragraph? Kattabomman wanted to fight against the Britishers with the support of these two Marudhu brothers. Now, who was he? The collector asked him not to join with Palayakaras, but he refused and he joined with this Marudhu brothers. So the Kattabomman, as a challenge to their authority, the Britishers thought that the company considered the expedition of Kattabomman. Kattabomman went and advanced to Sivagiri. Why? Because Sivagiri ruler, he paid revenue to the Britishers. So they refused to support Kattabomman. So Kattabomman advanced to Sivagiri. So what happened? The company considered the expedition of Kattabomman as a challenge to their authority. So the company ordered the army to march on Tirunelveli against Kattabomman. Okay. The siege of Panchalankuruchi. In May 1799, Lord Wellesley issued orders from Madras for the advance of forces. Lord Wellesley, British Governor General, he ordered for the advance of the forces from Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur and Madurai to Tirunelveli. Then Major Bannerman commanded the troops. He was the commander. Bannerman was the commander of British troops. The Travancore troops too joined the British. On 1st September 1799, an ultimatum was served on Kattabomman. What do you mean by ultimatum? ஒரு ஆர்டர் கொடுக்குறாங்க. Then Kattabomman to surrender. Kattabomman's evasive reply. அவர் என்ன செய்கிறாரு, ஒரு மாதிரி பதில் சொல்கிறாரு. Evasive reply prompted Bannerman to attack his fort. Bannerman moved his entire army to Panjalanguruchi on 5th September. They cut off all the communications of Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and all. And what happened? Conveyed to message asking Kattabomman to surrender. Kattabomman refused. Ramalinganar gathered all the secrets of fort. And on the basis of his report, Bannerman decided the strategy of the operation. In a clash at Kallarpatti, underline children, Siva Subramanianar was taken as prisoner. Who was Siva Subramanianar? He was the minister of Kattabomman. He was taken as prisoner. Okay. Now, execution of Kattabomman. Kattabomman escaped to Pudukottai. His minister was caught, but he escaped to Pudukottai. The British put a price on his head. பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்க கட்டபொம்மன் தலைக்கு என்ன வச்சுருக்காங்க, ப்ரைஸ் எவ்வளோ ரூபான்னு சொல்லி அலாட் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ தே ஆர் சர்ச்சிங் கட்டபொம்மன். ஸோ வாட் ஹேப்பன், betrayed by the Rajas of Ettayapuram and Pudukottai, Kattabomman was finally captured. காட்டி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. betrayed, நம்ம ஆளுங்களை என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, காமிச்சு கொடுக்குறாங்க. betrayed, Kattabomman was finally captured. Siva Subramanianar was executed at Nagalapuram on the 13th September. Bannerman made a mockery of a trial for Kattabomman in front of the Palayakkaras on 16th October. During the trial, Kattabomman bravely admitted all the charges leveled against him. Kattabomman was hanged from a tamarind tree. ஒரு புளிய மரத்தடியில் பப்ளிக்கில் தொங்க விடுறாங்க கட்டபொம்மனை. In the old fort of Kayathar, underline children, close to Tirunelveli, in front of the fellow Palayakkaras. Thus ended the life of the celebrated Palayakkaras of Panjalanguruchi. Many folk ballads on Kattabomman helped keep his memory. நிறைய என்னது புத்தகங்கள் நிறைய எழுதியிருக்கிறாங்க கட்டபொம்மன். அவருடைய நினைவுகள் எல்லாம், அவர் எப்படி சாமர்த்தியமாக நடந்துக்கிட்டார், எப்படி பிரிட்டிஷ்காரன் கூட சண்டை போட்டார் அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் அந்த பேலட்ஸ்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. helped to keep his memory alive among the people. Still now we are remembering and we are reading about Kattabomman. Next, the Marudu brothers. Periya Marudu or Vella Marudu and his younger brother Chinna Marudu. Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu were called as Marudu brothers. Were able generals of Muthuvadugar. Both brothers, Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu, were the able governors of Muthuvadugar, were generals of Muthuvadugar of Sivagangai. After Muthuvadugar's death, in the Kalayar Koil, where is it? In Sivagangai. Kalayar Koil is in Sivagangai. Kalayar Koil battle, Marudu brothers assisted in restoring the throne to Velu Nachiyar. என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, வேலு நாச்சியாரை அவங்க அந்த பதவியில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, கொடுக்குறாங்க. Then in the last years of 18th century, Marudu brothers organized resistance against the British. They organized resistance against British. After the death of Kattabomman, they worked along with his brother Umaithurai. After the death of Kattabomman, these Marudu brothers worked along with Kattabomman's brother Umaithurai. They plundered the granaries of the Nawab and caused damage and destructions to the company's troops. Marudu brothers, with the support of Umaithurai, Kattabomman's brother Umaithurai, they plundered the granaries of Nawab and caused damage and destruction to the company's army. Okay, next, rebellion of Marudu brothers. Despite the suppression of Kattabomman's revolt in 1799, rebellions broke out again in 1800. In the British records, it is referred to as the Second Palayakarar War. Whose record? Not Indians' record, British record. They referred this battle as a Second Palayakarar War. It was directed by a confederacy consisting of Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai, Gopala Nayak of Tindukal, Kerala Varma of Malabar, and Krishna. Underline, children, all the names and their presidency. Krishna Nayak and Tundaji of Mysore. Underline, Tundaji of Mysore. In April 1800, they meet at Virupachi and decide to organize an uprising against the British company. The uprising, which broke out in Coimbatore in June 1800, soon spread to Ramanathapuram and Madurai. Then the company got wind of it and declared war on Krishnappa Nayakar of Mysore, Kerala Varma of Malabar, and others. The Palayakas of Coimbatore, Satyamangalam, and Tarapuram were caught and hanged. The Palayakaras, the rulers of this area, Satyamangalam, Coimbatore, Tarapuram, were caught by the British government and they were hanged. In February 1801, the two brothers of Kattabomman, Umaithurai and Savathaiya, underline, Kattabomman's two brothers, Umaithurai and Savathaiya, escaped from the Palayam Kottai prison to Kamudi, from where Chinnamarudu took them to Siruvayal, that is their capital. யார் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறான்? ஊமைத்துறையையும் செவத்தையாவையும் பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஜெயிலில் போடுறாங்க. ரெண்டு பேரும் பாளையங்கோட்டை ஜெயிலிருந்து தப்பிச்சு எங்கே போடுறாங்க? கமுதிக்கு ஓடுறாங்க. அங்கே இருந்து மருது பிரதரோட இன்னொரு தம்பி யார்? சின்ன மருது என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் காப்பாற்றுறாங்க. தென் மருது took them to Siruvayal, his capital. The fort at Palayangurchi was reconstructed in record time. The British troops under Colin Macaulay retook the fort. திருப்பி சண்டை போட்டு அந்த ஃபோர்ட்டை என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? சின்னத்துறையோட ஃபோர்ட்டை கேப்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க. The British troops under Colin Macaulay retook the fort in April and the Marudu brothers sought shelter in Sivagangai. The English demanded that the Marudu Pandiyas had hand over the fugitive Umaithurai and Savathaiya. Hand over பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க, பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்க ஆர்டர் பண்ணுறாங்க. But they refused. Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes marched on Sivagangai. In June 1801, Marudu Pandiyas issued a proclamation of independence, which is called Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. So what is Tiruchirappalli Proclamation? Britishers, they re-attack Sivagangai, but they could not recapture it. So the Marudu brothers, they declared as Tiruchirappalli as a independent state. Tiruchirappalli as a independent state. Next, that is Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. Mark this paragraph for 5 mark question. Proclamation of 1801. The Proclamation of 1801 was an early call to the Indians to unite against the British, cutting across region, caste, creed and religion. The Proclamation of 1801 was an early call to the Indians to unite against the Britishers. இந்தியன் பாளையக்காரர் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து கூப்பிட்றாங்க. எல்லா பாளையக்காரரும் ஒன்றா சேரலாம் வாங்க பிரிட்டிஷ் எதிர்க்கிறதுக்கு, வித்தவுட் creed, caste or religion, whatever it is. The proclamation was pasted on the walls of Nawab's palace in Tiruchirappalli fort, on the walls of the Srirangam temple. Many Palayakaras of Tamil country railed together to fight against the English. Chinnamarudu collected nearly 20,000 men to challenge the English army. British reinforcements were rushed from Bengal. They had a big army. Not only Bengal, in Ceylon, Malaya, the Rajas of Pudukkottai, Ettayapuram and Tanjavur stood by the British. இவங்கெல்லாம் என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? பிரிட்டிஷ்க்கு சப்போர்ட்டாக நிற்கிறாங்க. Divide and rule policy followed by the English split the forces. பிரிட்டிஷ்க்கு ஒரு கேரக்டர் என்ன அப்படின்னா, இந்தியாவை எப்படி ரூல் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, டிவைட் அண்ட் பாலிசி, ரிலிஜியன் வைஸாக டிவைடட். ஸோ தட் ஹெல்ப்ட், that splitted Indians into two, and English split the forces of the Palayakaras soon. Some Palayakaras, they supported to the Britishers, and some Palayakaras only, they was against the English. Fall of Sivagangai. In May 1801, the English attacked the rebels in Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli. The rebels went to Piranmalai and Kalayar Koil. They were again defeated by the forces of the English. In the end, the superior military strength and the able commanders of the English company prevailed. So what happened? The superior military strength and able commanders, they defeated the Indians. Military strength and the able commanders of the English company prevailed. The rebellions failed and Sivagangai was annexed in 1801. The Marudu brothers were executed in the fort of Tirupattur near Ramanathapuram on 24th October 1801. Umaithurai and Savathaiya were captured and beheaded. கழுத்தை என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? வெட்டிடுறாங்க பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்க. Beheaded at Panchalanguruchi on 16th November 1801. 73 rebels were exiled to Penang in Malaya. மலையால கொண்டு போய் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? வைக்கிறாங்க. அங்கே ப்ரிசனில் போடுறாங்க. Though the Palayakaras fell to the English, their exploits and sacrifices inspired later generations. Thus, the rebellions of Marudu brothers, which is called South Indian Rebellion, is a landmark event in the history of Tamil Nadu. The Carnatic Treaty, the suppression of the Palayakaras rebellion of 1799 and 1800 to 1801 resulted in the liquidation of all the local chieftains of Tamil Nadu. Liquidation means suppress, killing. Under the terms of the Carnatic Treaty, 31st July 1801, the British assumed direct control over Tamilagam, and the Palayakara system came to an end with the demolition of all forts. எல்லா 72 பழையக்காரஸோட ஃபோர்ட்ஸையும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? டிமாலிஷ் பண்ணி all the பாளையம்ஸ் went under the control of the British, and demolition of all forts and disbandment of their army. பழையக்காரோட ஆர்மி எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? டிஸ்மேண்டில் பண்ணுறாங்க. தீரன் சின்னமலை. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெட் அஸ் நோ த வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பர்சனாலிட்டி, தீரன் சின்னமலை. born at Tirthagiri in 1756. Dheeran was well trained in Silambu, archery, horse riding and modern warfare. He was involved in resolving family and land disputes in the Kongu region, as the region was under the control of Mysore. Kongu region where in Coimbatore sites. As this region was under the control of Mysore Sultan, tax was collected by Tipu's Diwan Muhammad Ali. So this Kongu region's tax was collected by Mysore ruler, and he sent Muhammad Ali, his Diwan, Tipu Sultan's Diwan, Muhammad Ali. Once when the Diwan was returning to Mysore after collecting revenue in those area, and he returned to Mysore with the tax money, Tirthagiri blocked his way and confiscated all the tax money. He let Muhammad Ali go by instructing him to tell his Sultan that Chinnamalai, who is between Sivamalai and Channimalai, was one who took away taxes. இவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு? அந்த முகமது அலிகிட்டேருந்து தீரன் சின்னமலை, அவர் என்ன செய்கிறார்? தீர்த்தகிரியில் பிறந்தார். அவருக்குடைய பேர் தீரன் தான். ஸோ எப்படி அவருக்கு சின்னமலை அப்படின்ற பேர் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, முகமது அலி என்ன செய்கிறாரு? ரெவன்யூவை கலெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க சுல்தான்கிட்ட கொண்டு போய் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு போயிட்டுருக்க நேரத்தில் இவர் என்ன செய்கிறாரு? அவ்வளோ பணத்தையும் கான்ஃபிஸ்கேட்டட், கொள்ளையடிக்கிறார். பறிச்சிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாரு? போய் சொல்லுவோம் சுல்தான்கிட்ட, நான் தான் சின்னமலைக்கும் வேறு எந்த மலை? பிட்வீன் சிவமலைக்கும் சின்ன மலைக்கும் நடுவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நான் தான் வந்து யார் இந்த டேக்ஸை உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து பறிச்சுக்கிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு போய் சொல்லு அப்படின்னு தைரியமாக சொல்லி அனுப்புகிறார். தஸ் he gained the name of Thiran Chinnamalai. So because of that he gained the name of Thiran Chinnamalai. The offended Diwan sent a contingent to attack Chinnamalai, and both the forces met and fought at the Noyal river bed. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் எங்கே செய்கிறாங்க? நொய்யல் ரிவர் பெட்டில் சண்டை நடக்குது. அட் த ஃபோர்ச் அட் த நொய்யல் ரிவர் பெட். சின்னமலை எமர்ஜ்ட் விக்டோரியஸ். சுல்தான் படைக்கும் எங்கே மைசூர் சுல்தான் ஆர்மியை சின்னமலை டிஃபீட் பண்ணி தீரன் சின்னமலை வெற்றி பண்ணுறாரு. ஆஃப்டர் திப்புஸ் டெத் தீரன் சின்னமலை built a fort and fought the British without leaving the place. Hence the place is called Oda Nilai. என்ன நிலை? ஓடா நிலை. He launched guerrilla attacks and evaded capture. ஃபைனலி த இங்கிலீஷ் கேப்சர். முதல்ல இவர் என்ன செய்கிறாரு? தீரன் சின்னமலை இந்த மைசூர் அரசனுக்கு மேலே என்ன அட்டாக் பண்ணுறாங்க? கொரில்லா அட்டாக். வாட் டு யூ மீன் பை கொரில்லா அட்டாக்? மறைஞ்சிருந்து திடீர்னு தாக்குறது. அதை இது பண்ணி அவங்கள என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்க? டிஃபீட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் இங்கிலீஷ் கேப்சர்டு ஹிம், launched guerrilla attack. Finally the English captured him and his brothers and kept them in prison in Sangagiri. When they were asked to accept the rule of the British, they refused. ப்ரிசன்ட்டில் போட்டுக்கிட்டு பிரிட்டிஷ்காரன் சொல்கிறான், என்ன சொல்கிறான்? எங்களுடைய ஆட்சி தான் இனிமேல் பாளையத்தில் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு ஒத்துக்கங்க, உங்களை விட்டுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். பட் தே ரெஃப்யூஸ். எங்கள் உயிர் போனாலும் நாங்கள் என்ன செய்ய மாட்டோம், சொல்ல மாட்டோம் அப்படின்றாங்க. ஸோ தே வியர் ஹேங்க்ட், தூக்கிலிடப்படுறாங்க அட் த டாப் ஆஃப் சிவகிரி ஃபோர்ட் ஆன் 31st July 1805. நெக்ஸ்ட் வேலூர். வேலூரில் இங்கே வேலூர் இருக்கு இல்லையா? வேலூரில் 1806 அண்டர்லைன். யூ ஷுட் ரிமெம்பர் ஆல்வேஸ். வேலூர் ரிவோல்ட் fought in 1806 before reducing all Palayakaras of South Tamil Nadu into submission of East India Company had acquired the revenue district of Salem, Tindikkal at the conclusion of the war with Tipu in 1792. Coimbatore was annexed at the end of the Anglo-Mysore war. பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்களுக்கும் இப்போ மைசூர் அரசருக்கும் சண்டை நடக்குது. அதில் மைசூர் ரூலர் வாஸ் டிஃபீட்டட். இந்த சேம் இயர் த ராஜா ஆஃப் டாஞ்சாவூர் whose status have been reduced to that of vassal in 1798 gave up his sovereign right over that region to the English. மைசூர் ராஜாவோட என்னது ஆங்கிலோ மைசூர் வாரில் இந்த சேமிய ராஜா ஆஃப் தஞ்சாவூர் ராஜாவை அவருடைய பொசிஷன்லேருந்து, அரசன்ற பொசிஷன்லேருந்து கம்மி பண்ணி அவரை என்ன இது பண்ணுறாங்க? வேசல் தான் நீயே அப்படின்ட்டாங்க. வேசல்னால் அவருக்கு கீழே உள்ள பொசிஷன். இன் 1789 அதனால் அவருடைய சாவரைனை விட்டு கொடுத்துட்டாரு. ரைட்ஸ் ஓவர் தட் ரீஜன் டு த இங்கிலீஷ். ஆஃப்டர் த suppression of the resistance of Kattabomman 1799 and Mardu brothers in 1801, the British charged the Nawab of Arcot with disloyalty and forced a treaty on him. நீ வந்து மைசூர் மைசூர் அரசட்ட நீ எங்களுக்கு டிஸ்லாயல்ட்டியாக இருந்துட்ட அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஒரு ட்ரீட்டியாக எழுதி சைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அக்கார்டிங் டு திஸ் ட்ரீட்டி இன் 1801 த நவாப் வாஸ் டு சீட் the districts of North Arcot, South Arcot, திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி, மதுரை அண்ட் திருநெல்வேலி டு த கம்பெனி. இந்த இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா நவாப்ஸும் ரூலர்ஸும் பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்களுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்றாங்க. த ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆல் த அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் பவர் டு இட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் grievances ஆஃப் இந்தியன் சோல்ஜர்ஸ். grievances மீன்ஸ் அவங்களுடைய குறைகள். இந்தியன் சோல்ஜர்ஸோட குறைகள் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, பட் த ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் டிட் நாட் டை டவுன். ஆனால் கூட எல்லாமே பிரிட்டிஷ்காரனோட கண்ட்ரோலில் போயிட்டா கூட அவங்களுடைய என்னது ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ், இந்தியன்ஸோட ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன்னும் குறையலை. த disposed little kings and feudal chieftains continued to deliberate on the future course of action against the company's government. The outcome was the Vellore revolt of 1806. The objective conditions of for a last ditch fight existed on the eve of the revolt. The Sepoys in the British Indian army nursed a strong sense of resentment over a low salary and poor prospects of promotion. Okay, children, let us stop this video with this. We will continue one more video. Okay, children, after 10 minutes, after seeing this, after 10 minutes, you see the next video.